Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Drury. I am going to show you how to get onto your digital reading book for the virtual learning. It's just like the book that you would have in the room called My Book that had all of our reading stories in it from each week last year in second grade. This will be your slide that you will be on, and it'll say, you'll have a little video right here that you'll watch. That's the one I'm making right now. And then it says, after watching the teacher start her stop and jots, you will log into HMH, that's just the company that makes the book, and read the rest of the story while stopping to type in notes. So you'll click on this link right here and it will take you to this page. Now, in order to log in, you're going to click HMH login, and your username is going to be your lunch number. So yours is going to be different than the one I'm putting in. And then your password is your lunch number and then a lowercase s. You'll sign in, and it's going to take you to the book Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match. So this feature, this has some really good features to it. You can play the audio.
Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match. Story by Monica Brown. Illustrations by Sarah Palacios. Marisol.
So you'll be able to do that if you want to read, if you want to have the book read to you. These little arrows will take you from page to page, and you can read along with the book. There's a notes section if you want to take it, and then you can also click more, and you can have the text highlighted as you read it to kind of follow along. But if you don't want to do the audio and you just want to read it on your own, then you can do that also. So I'm going to get started so I can show you how to do the stop and jots. So I'm going to read this story, and then I'm going to make some sort of, connection, prediction, or I'm going to summarize what I've read so far. It just depends on what this part of the book is about. So it'll say, my name is Marisol McDonald, and I don't match. And at least that's what everyone tells me. I play soccer with my cousin Tato, and he says, Marisol, your skin is brown like mine, but your hair is the color of carrots. You don't match. Actually, my hair is the color of fire, I say, and kick the ball over Tato's head and into the goal. I think that reminds me, and I make a text-to-text connection. So I'm going to tell you what text, if you don't already know what that reminds you of. It reminds me of Molly Lou Mellon. So I would highlight the part that I made the connection with, or the prediction, or want to summarize, and I'm going to highlight it in one of these colors. Just depends on how you're feeling. I feel yellow today, so I'm going to do that. So again, I think of Molly Lou Mellon. So I'm going to click view in panel, because it moves everything over to the side, and then I'm going to add a note. So the note that I'm going to add is, this reminds me of when Molly Lou was made fun of during football. I think that the little boy called her a shrimpo, if I'm thinking. So I would click save and close, and it'll save that particular little thing that I wrote and the text that went with it. Very, very good for the teacher to be able to look at. So then you would click to the next page, continue. You can either have it read.
My brother says, Marisol, those pants don't match that shirt. They clash.
Okay, so you can have it read to you, or you can read it yourself. Now I see this word looks different than the others. It's underlined and then it's kind of highlighted. You can click on it and it can tell you what it means.
Clash. Colors or patterns that clash look strange or ugly together.
So if you didn't know what that word meant, you could click it, and it also tells you right here underneath. But I love green polka dots and purple stripes. I think they go great together, don't you? I also love peanut butter and jelly burritos, and speaking Spanish, English, and sometimes both. Can I have a puppy, a furry sweet perrito? I ask my parents, por favor. Quizás? Mommy says, maybe. Dad says, smiling and winking. So this whole part about getting a puppy, I'm going to stop and jot because I remember when I was little, it's just exactly what happened to me. They told me maybe when I asked for a puppy. So maybe I want to highlight this one in pink. That's fine, doesn't matter. And I'm going to add the note. So I'm going to say, this reminds me of when I asked for a puppy and my dad said maybe 2. So that's it. I would save it and close. I'm done with that one. They keep track over here off to the side. And then I would just move on and read the rest of the story. And I'll let you guys do that on your own. So that's how you would do stop and jots. And then whenever you're done, and it saves your assignment for you. And Miss Drury can look at it to make sure that you did it. Your assignment for the day is to do the stop and jots, because the next day, tomorrow on Thursday, you'll be actually taking a quiz on this book. And so it'll be nice for you to already know what the book is about, to go back through, remember your notes, and be able to find your answers for questions. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope this helps you. There's really great features on here, and I really think you're going to enjoy this. So have a good day, and I will talk to you later.